Hello to my channel, guys, to everything. Today we are going to learn how to use Grok for real-time crypto trading signals. Grok scans posts and settlement shifts on X to help crypto traders identify early signals. MEMS, micro-driven momentum plays. So, key takeaways. Grok scans real-time sentiments on X to detect early crypto trends, including meme coins, momentum, and macro reactions. Traders have used Grok-style setups to track tokens like Turbo, ORDI, and FET before price move occurred. Unlike chat-based tools, Grok captures emotional tone and crowd-native shifts across thousands of posts. When paired with ChatGPT, Grok helps surface signals, while ChatGPT assists in strategy design and automatic logic. Why useful for sentiment parsing? Grok doesn't execute or trades, interprets charts, or manage risk. It works best as a signal assistant. Why Grok is getting attention from crypto traders? Many retail traders still rely on news alerts, influencer posts on Discord trading groups to stay ahead of the market. While the sources can offer signals, they are often delayed or shaped by social bias. In fast-moving crypto environments, that delay can mean missing the window to act. Grok, the conversational AI developed by Elon Musk, SAI, and embedded into S, is being explored by some traders as a way to monitor sentiment shifts more efficiently. Unlike traditional tools, Grok has direct access to live X data, enabling it to interpret real-time conversations, track trending token mentions, and detect early signs of narrative movement. Some traders are testing Grok in conjunction with other AI tools to surface high-frequency mentions or emotional keywords tied to meme coins and altcoins. One post in a crypto development forum described an experimental setup where Grok flagged repeated flocky mentions from verified users shortly before a price move. While still experimental, these use cases show how sentiment passing on X can inform short-term trading decisions. Instead of acting as a trading strategy on its own, Grok is being used as a tool to enhance awareness of market mood, especially for access-driven more by social engagement than fundamentals. What is Grok? Grok is a conversational AI model developed by SAI Elon Musk artificial intelligence company. It is currently available to S Premium users, where it integrates with the S platform or provides direct access to training content and public conversations in real time. Unlike traditional AI assistants like ChatGPT, which relies on processed or extended data feeds, Grok can tap into live user discussions, sentiment flows, and viral trends as they unfold. Why Grok matters for crypto traders? It breaks it down with a real-world scenario. On March 13, 2024, Musk posted a meme featured Pepe the Frog. Shortly afterward, the price of the Pepe cryptocurrency jumped by 12.2%, breaking the 0.000009 mark. Why this timing drew attention? It's important to know that correlation doesn't imply causation. By the time the news reached Telegram groups and aggregators, the entry window had already passed. Now imagine Grok reading the influencer's post instantly, passing community replies to determine sentimental plurality, matching it to previous patterns of similar pump setup, triggering a high social spike alert to meme coins. How to use Grok for settlement signals and macro lengths. If you have traded crypto during a meme cycle, you know how fast settlement shifts and how slow most tools are to pick it up. Grok changes that thanks to its direct integration with X. It can scan thousands of posts, hashtags, and comments threads as they happen. So, thanks for watching the video. Just if you want to get more information concerning this Grok, go through my video description, like my video, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more information on AI and how it can help you in your business. Bye for now.